Hey, welcome back to the next vlog. My name is Dee and I'm on a mission to travel 300 places around New Zealand. I just got to share my next adventure with you all. This is my third stop and this time I had my buddy Julien tagging along. We decided to check out the Wellington Zoo. First things first, the place was spotless. I mean seriously, I've never seen a zoo so clean. Kudos to the folks running the show there. You know how sometimes zoos can be a bit, well, not so tidy? Not this one. It was like so clean. Now, let me tell you about the animals there. Most of the animals are in their natural habitat. Oh, and the native animals. They had all sort of critters native to New Zealand. And it was like crash course in Kiwi wildlife. As we entered, penguins stole the show. I'm telling you, those little guys whittling around were too cute for words. We spent some time there just watching them do their penguin things. Then we went to this farm. Man, you gotta see the interactive stuff they have there. They had everything you see in the farm presented in an interactive way. There were these cool activities where you could get up close and personal, even with some of the animals. My friend and I were like big kids, trying all these interactive stuff. It was not only the big animals, they even had small animals. But with small animals, it was more like a game of finding the animal, which we failed miserably. The smaller they get, it's hard to find them within their space. The next special place was at the snow leopard exhibit. Those majestic creatures were just chilling, and we were just standing there playing the game hide and seek trying to spot them. No wonder why they call them ghost cats. It's a bit hard to spot them in their habitat. Like I said before, sometimes even we won finding the animal. I didn't realize how diverse and unique the animal kingdom is down here. But not so much compared to where I come from. Then we found the king of the jungle and other animals you will find in the Lion King movie, or like the bigger animals.
You might want us as food.
If you are a Madagascar fan, I'm pretty sure you must have come across this guy. It was so nice to see a bunch of them at the same place. They even had wild dogs in the zoo. Now that was a bit of a surprise. Remember I told you that you can interact with some animals? Look at this. How cool is that? This was one of the best views we saw. It was backdropped by the view of the city. These chimpanzees managed to give us a little show too. They had some legit cafes inside the zoo, but when we went there everything was closed, so make sure you go there a bit early because like everywhere in New Zealand, they close a bit early too. The zoo even had an animal hospital. Yeah, like a legit animal hospital. I didn't even know that was a thing. But it's so important. They're out there saving lives. It was closed by the time we got there, but I'm pretty sure you can watch live operations within those glass walls. I'm telling you, if you're in Wellington, if you want a bit of relaxing time, the zoo is a must visit. It's worth it. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for the rest of the series, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring. Peace out.